Hey guys, Zima here, and today I will talk about MeMusic for a little. It is one of those projects that I've been in for roughly 2, 3, maybe even 4 months by now since they officially had their node sale. And so far, I generated a whole bunch of the tokens, which, with the current market conditions, isn't worth that much if we are fully honest. They started out with a price of about 3.5 to 4 cents even when they launched on Gate.io as well. Now they're down to half a cent. But I think there's a silver lining coming soon that this will go up in value by quite a bit. We've seen similar projects like Sonoris, Delysium, Maria all go through this cycle in the beginning where the token launches and everybody tries to get the return on investment, make some profit, sell the token, and then once the project develops more and more and they release more things, it tends to bounce back up and go to a solid 2 or 3x from the original launch price, meaning maybe like 5 cents in here, 10 cents is possible, 20 even, considering that they combine audio and Web3 and make it something like a decentralized Spotify, you could say. And if that actually takes off with the MMT token, their Bubbles token that you can use in here, as well as the upcoming Stream token in here, this might very well be one of those projects that has a great idea at first, doesn't do that much while we are still waiting for everything to go live, but then eventually redeems itself as one of those projects that not just benefit all the node holders, but also the people on their side. They want to be the first ever blockchain-based music platform to adopt cryptocurrencies and a traditional business model. And right now we can join the beta as well besides buying the nodes. They've been working with YJ+, Weeblock, CryptoDiffer, Vision Game as well, Pixelverse, and some others. They want to reinvent the whole streaming experience, as well as enabling music as an investment class. Think about it that when an artist gets plays on YouTube, Spotify, whatever platform you use, they only get a percentage of the revenue. The platform or the agency, the organization behind it, they keep the biggest share of that. So in this case, they simply allow it so that the money that will go to artists directly goes to them in the form of crypto instead of having all of these extra entities being involved in that. The whole business model has to do with not just donations and purchases for the music, but also with the users behind it, the creators, and the MeMusic token, with the token being on the Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum, and Sui, as well as probably some other chains moving forward. Difference in execution is that they have a team that is experienced in pretty much every single industry, while also being in the AI and crypto space. The tokenomics so far, we're at a price of less than public sale and seed sale round. But again, I think this is probably going to go up fairly soon. You can already see on the page everybody who released a song, who started using their stations, as they're called, station notes. And if you would like to get a note as well, fairly simple. You can get one additional note for, I think, $749 right now, which makes you about $1 or $2 a day at the current price. But then again, you can only withdraw like 60% of your tokens, as some of that is staked invested in here. And it will take some time until you get your return on investment. That being said, they have a whole bunch of updates, more partnerships happening, exchanges they get listed on, and even more things that will happening fairly soon on other exchanges that they work with, which means you can definitely be bullish on this and here. Participate in the giveaway, for example, where you can win up to $10,000, get involved in the ecosystem. And even though it feels like we're not that early anymore, as it has been around for a few months by now, there have been less than 2,700 nodes sold, and we are still really early. They're limited to 10K, and you can get one with the link down below. I'll check out more projects fairly soon, and until then, have a good one, guys.